Looking to eat healthy without compromising on taste? Today we're sharing 3 easy wholesome recipes that are perfect for everyday meals. Let's get started. We're starting with a vibrant and nourishing Buddha bowl, perfectly balanced and incredibly satisfying. First, let's make the dressing. Add all your dressing ingredients into a mixer and pulse them coarsely. Next, for the roasted paneer and chickpeas, in a bowl, combine paneer cubes and boiled chickpeas with spices. Mix everything well so it's evenly coated. Now transfer this to a baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown and slightly crisp. Now for the herbed garlic rice, heat some oil and butter in a pan, add garlic and parsley, add your sauces and spices followed by cooked rice. Mix everything well so the flavors come together beautifully. Now time to assemble. Place the herb garlic rice in the center of your bowl, surround it with fresh chopped lettuce. Top it with the roasted paneer and chickpeas along with your favorite fresh veggies. Drizzle the dressing generously and garnish with thin cucumber slices, roasted sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. And your Buddha bowl is ready, colorful, wholesome and absolutely delicious. Next up, a hearty barley salad that works great both warm and cold. Start by boiling the barley until it's cooked but still chewy. In a pan, heat a little oil and saute garlic. Add the cooked barley and sprinkle in some smoked paprika. Toast it well and set it aside. Now in the same pan, saute bell peppers, zucchini, squash and cherry tomatoes in a little oil just until slightly tender but still vibrant. Now in a large bowl, combine the sauteed barley and veggies. Add olives, onions and fresh spinach leaves. Season with salt and pepper, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and toast everything together. Now finish it off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and give it a final mix. If you like it, top it with crumbled feta and toasted pine nuts for extra flavor and crunch. Serve it warm or chilled, either way it's refreshing, filling and super nutritious. Finally, a protein-packed dry chana masala that's simple yet incredibly flavorful. Start by washing and soaking kala chana overnight, then boil them in a pressure cooker with a little salt and water for about 4 whistles or 10 minutes. Heat oil in a pan and add cumin seeds, let them splutter. Now add ginger and garlic and cook until the raw smell disappears. Now add the boiled kala chana and saute for a couple of minutes. Add red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and salt. Mix everything well and cook for about 4 minutes so the spices are nicely absorbed. Finish with fresh coriander leaves and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix everything thoroughly and garnish with chopped tomatoes, and your dry chana masala is ready. Simple, healthy and packed with bold flavors. And there you have it, 3 easy healthy recipes that you can make anytime. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie for more delicious recipes.